In this video, I will show you how you can increase or decrease the volume of your iPad without using the volume buttons. Now, there are two methods to do so. If you want to increase the volume of your iPad, you can either open the control center, and over here you will find the volume slider, and from here you can increase or decrease the volume of your iPad. But if you want to increase or decrease the ringtones and alerts volume, then just go to settings. And under settings, just scroll down and tap on sounds. From here, under ringtone and alerts, just increase or decrease this slider. And by doing that, you will increase or decrease the ringtone and alerts volume. Then this was the first method. And there is also another method to increase or decrease the volume of your iPad. For that, under settings, just tap on accessibility. And under the accessibility settings, just tap on touch. From here, just tap on assistive touch and enable assistive touch on your iPad. After you see the assistive touch on the screen, now just tap on it, and from this menu, just select device. And as you can see from here, you can increase or decrease the volume of your iPad, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.